kicking off a 2-day trip. We're starting out at a state park. Take a look at the lake. Just out wandering around. I'm going to try to walk around the lake. They have a nice concrete path all the way around it. Just killing time before the rain gets here. We'll get back to camp and cook some dinner and just kind of hang out. Spend the night here tonight, and then we'll move on in the morning. Anyway, it's nice and misty here. It's supposed to storm later this afternoon. Hopefully we're back by then. It's quite a walk from the camper up to here. I don't know why they put a state park right next to a highway, but I'm probably a mile off the highway now, and the road traffic is just horrible. It is a nice place though, so there's that. I don't think I'm quite halfway yet. It's a lot farther than I thought it was going to be. We'll keep moving though. Good grief. I don't know how far this is, but it's longer than I planned. We're walking for days. It's crazy. Got back, opened the topper door, and I got water leaking into my bed, so I rigged it with a trash bag to protect it. Look at my shoes. It's all from just walking around the lake in the rain.
Who the hell is Jack Reacher?
Okay, so for dinner tonight, oh, by the way, the movie was excellent. Thanks for asking. I watched Jack Reacher, so if you haven't seen that, it's worth a look. So for dinner tonight, we're going to do something a little different. I decided I wanted sandwiches for dinner tonight, so I was on the internet looking around, trying to figure out what to do. And I had a hankering for tuna, so I was looking for tuna sandwiches recipes, and I found a couple. They looked okay, so we'll do those tonight. Stumbled across a recipe for a poor man's sandwich. And frankly, it may be the most disgusting thing that I think I've ever seen. So we're going to try that first. So we're going on that. So we're making 3 sandwiches tonight. I'm not going to eat all 3, but I'm going to try them. But I want to try this because it's disgusting enough that maybe I'll like it. Who knows? Got peanut butter on there. Now we're putting some mayonnaise on there. Pickles. And this is the part I don't get. Onion. This says thinly sliced. Sliced them as thin as I could. We're going to cut it in a triangle because things always taste better when they're cut in triangles. Okay, here we go. Take a look at that. I'm not real convinced I'm going to like that. I don't hate it. Huh. Who would have thought? It just kind of all cancels each other out. I thought it'd be really strong onion, but it's really not. I was wrong. It's not bad at all. Pickles and onion, peanut butter and mayonnaise. Huh. Man, I am completely shocked. I didn't think I'd like that sandwich at all. All right. Tuna's in here. Half a tablespoon of mayo. By the way, this is called, what's this called? Crunchy curry tuna sandwich. Come on, old man. You could open the peanuts up on your hands. You don't need a knife. Oh no, I spilled the peanuts. Darn it. Peanuts and raisins. It's supposed to have celery in it, but I hate celery, so that's not happening. Half a teaspoon of curry powder. I'm not convinced this is a good idea. Okay, now I got curry everywhere. Fantastic. Supposed to have a pinch of cayenne in it, a pinch of garlic salt in it, and it's supposed to have onion and green onion. Now I got all my plates dirty now, so we'll try to mix this up. I don't know. That's what it looks like on the sandwich. All I know is it tastes better cut in a triangle, so we're doing it. All right, here we go. Crunchy curry tuna sandwich. It's got peanuts, raisins, tuna, curry powder, green onions, chopped onions. Feels like it needs more mayonnaise. I don't really get the garlic salt or the cayenne in it. I can taste the curry in it. Definitely taste the peanuts and the raisins. It's okay. I would never have thought of it on my own. Uh-oh, cops are here. Moving on to the last one. Oh, I got chips down here, so I'm cheating. So we got some tuna in there. That's chili powder. Now it says I'm supposed to use tuna with oil in it, but I didn't have any and I don't really care for it, so I'm going to put a little bit of mayonnaise in there. And I mentioned the last one is Hawaiian tuna sandwich. There. Well, I'm mentioning it now. I'll get it. Relax. I got it. It's a lot of work for sandwiches. You know what I'm saying? A lot of work. I've been surprised though. The first two were pretty good. Okay, this one was the one that I thought would be my favorite, so I'll probably be disappointed in that. Forgot to get a beer out before I started all this. I'm not sure beer goes with tuna, to be honest with you. Tuna's on there. Put some pineapple on here. Don't tell my wife I just reached here and grabbed the mozzarella with pineapple on my hands. A little well done. Ooh, look at that. Cheese is melted though. That's really good. Mozzarella and the pineapple. All of them are pretty good. That poor man sandwich was surprisingly good. All right, that was fantastic. Okay, well, I got a mess to clean up. We'll see you in a bit. Well, everything's cleaned up. I got my PJs on. I think I'm ready for bed. We'll get up tomorrow morning, pack up and get out of here and move on to the next place. So we'll see you guys in the morning. Well, good morning. Made coffee and we're up and at 'em today. Got a little bit of a surprise. I opened my coffee cup up and turned out it hadn't been washed. So it was a little nasty. So we're drinking out of the Joe Bowl cup this morning. Anyway, I'm going to enjoy my coffee and get things packed up and we'll get around today. It is a beautiful morning. 49 degrees. Doesn't look like it rained a whole lot overnight. So it should be a good day. It's supposed to be in the 70s today with sunshine. I don't know if you can see it, but there's mountains off in the distance there. Definitely looks different in the sunlight, doesn't it? This is where we were at yesterday. I don't know if you can see that, mountains in the background. We're kind of headed that direction, but that's the next video. Well, we'll wander around here some. See if we can find something else to look at. We're looking at Horseshoe Lake. We were at Martin Lake, and then this one's pretty much right next to it. Not a bad way to start our morning. Hey, if you like this video, watch this one next. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.